Okay, we have precipitation that came through Pennsylvania now going off the coast of New Jersey. It should be out of there by midnight tonight. Once again, this is the 28th of March in the evening. We're doing this, and once that moves away, the next little bit of precipitation will move in. This will be Saturday, late morning. You can see it's out in western PA. Kind of crosses the state on Saturday. As we get into the evening, this takes you to around 8 o'clock. It's not very heavy at that point in time. As you get to around midnight, it starts to back off and clear out, stop precipitating. If you're looking at sunrise services, this is around what it is. So across the state of Pennsylvania, New Jersey, you look pretty good. And we go through this, and then we don't get some moisture moving back in until very late in the day, at the earliest in western PA. And then it moves actually into Pennsylvania with some moderate rain as we go overnight hours on Sunday into Monday. And then the southern part of the state on Monday gets it as it goes off of the Jersey Shore. It kind of the frontal system is over the southern part of Pennsylvania. This takes you to this is Monday morning, and then we kind of try to slide this out a little bit further here, and you can see Monday is an off and on kind of rain now. Now this takes you to early Tuesday morning, about 4 or 5 a.m. You can see the front cross back over the state. In New England, it turns into freezing rain and some snow in some sections, and then as this moves by here, we have this low pressure system right here. It's going to get very strong as it moves off the coast. And it could have its repercussions to Pennsylvania as it does so. It's a very slow mover. It's getting blocked, so it's going to be able to wind up. This is Wednesday morning early. You can see there is some snow out here in western PA going on. And as the day goes on, this takes you to around 10, 11 o'clock in the morning on Wednesday. This is the 3rd of April. And you can see as we go through the day, it moves to the east. This low is still up here, and it's hanging around, and that's pulling in some colder air behind it. Now, finally, this thing begins to move off the coast late in the evening on Wednesday, and it really winds up. The models will show like a 970 off the coast over here. So there'll be flurries and some squalls going on. New York will get snow. New England gets some very heavy snow. This is around 8 o'clock Wednesday evening, and you can see there's no rain in PA. Anything that is falling is in the form of snowflakes. And especially the northern part of the state above 80 is where you got to watch out for it. And same thing in Jersey, northern New Jersey, you can get a little bit of snow. But this thing winds up early in the morning on Thursday. Let's see if I can fix this. You look over on the right there, you can see it's a 970. That's the pressure for it, 970. So heavy snow, that purplish is very heavy snow along the coast. And again, it's wrapped up back towards Connecticut, back towards Massachusetts, and Vermont, New Hampshire, Rhode Island, and back towards New York. And then back in Pennsylvania, and then you have the snow because of these tight isobarbs here, as you can see. Very windy conditions, and that will bring down stuff off the lakes. Some wraparound precipitation will be involved with it. Now, this is in the morning of Thursday the 4th, and if you look real close here, 965. So this is going to be a heck of a snow, I'd say blizzard conditions up this way. And just Pennsylvania will be getting some flurries and light snow out of this. I'll show you what looks like it could be accumulations. But if you even wait this out a little bit more, it's 965 right now as it starts to move, and it'll slowly move away, and things will clear up by late in the day on Thursday. Now, this is total snow next week, all the way through to when that thing finally moves away. And as you can see, up here in Maine and New Hampshire and all, and Vermont, you can see we're measuring in feet up here. So, big storm. This probably be the biggest storm of the year, except Nova Scotia had one that was really big. But then as you look back towards Pennsylvania, a lot of this is wrap around. Most of a lot of it's coming off the lakes, and you can see it's mostly higher terrain. It's north of 80. But again, be aware that you can get a couple of inches in the Poconos along the northern border here, and then in these snow squall areas off the lake, wherever it sets up, you can get 6 inches or more, and even maybe some of the mountaintops here in the lower highlands can get up close to 6 inches. But you have to keep an eye on this and see if it does exactly what it shows it's going to do. But this probably could be the finale. But if you're looking for that really warm weather to roll in, the models are starting to come around to show that the month for a whole is going to be normal to below normal. So I don't think we're going to see those 80s yet coming into the picture yet this month for April. That's coming up. I will be flipping over the 360 page to things to do in the spring and the summer. We'll be taking the snow things off on Monday the 1st and adding those things on the 1st. And if you're a member of the Pocono Weather 360, it'll tell you the things at the shore. It'll show you things you can do in Pennsylvania across the whole state, things that you can do. And also, we'll be updating the website just a little bit too when I do that. And I'll have the spring and summer forecast included on Monday when we do all that. So Monday will be a big day for your weather geek. All right, take it easy and be safe. Talk to you tomorrow.